The Trial by Franz Kafka is a surreal and haunting exploration of bureaucracy, guilt, and the human condition. The story begins with Josef K, a young, ambitious banker who wakes up one morning to find himself unexpectedly arrested by mysterious agents. Although he is informed of his arrest, he is not told what he is accused of, nor is he detained. Instead, he is left to navigate an oppressive and illogical judicial system, attempting to prove his innocence in a case he does not understand. As he delves deeper into the legal proceedings, Josef encounters a maze of dark, labyrinthine courts filled with officials who seem detached, bureaucratic, and indifferent to the concept of justice. Throughout the novel, Kafka uses Josef's struggle as a metaphor for the alienation and helplessness that individuals feel within modern society. His attempts to make sense of the accusations against him lead him into a series of increasingly surreal and frustrating situations where the rules are constantly shifting and the authority figures he encounters, from judges to minor court officials, seem strangely apathetic, as though Josef's plight is merely routine. Despite his determination to fight against this inexplicable charge, Josef becomes entangled in the endless procedural barriers and mindless formalities that Kafka constructs to illustrate the futility of seeking justice within an unyielding, uncaring system. At various points, Josef seeks help from others. His lawyer, Hold, who is equally absorbed by the court's complicated and futile workings, the court artist, Titorelli, who offers to help but only deepens Josef's sense of disorientation, and even Lenny, Hold's nurse, who takes a personal interest in Josef. However, each figure merely serves as another reminder of the crushing weight of the system, their own lives tied to the same impenetrable legal web. As Josef's frustration mounts, so does his sense of inner guilt and confusion, leading him to question not only the court's judgment, but his own actions, worth, and purpose. Kafka never reveals the nature of Josef's alleged crime, which deepens the allegorical and existential elements of the novel. In the end, Josef's struggles culminate in a haunting conclusion. Two men arrive to escort him to an abandoned quarry, where he is silently executed without any explanation or resistance. His quiet resignation in the face of his death underscores Kafka's commentary on the nature of human existence, where individuals are ultimately powerless against the larger, often incomprehensible forces that govern their lives. The Trial serves as a powerful critique of oppressive systems and an existential reflection on guilt, purpose, and the human psyche. Kafka's portrayal of Josef K's disintegration highlights the isolation, paranoia, and absurdity that define modernity, leaving readers with a chilling understanding of the fragility of human dignity and the inexplicable nature of justice within bureaucratic and institutionalized settings. Through its bleak and nightmarish narrative, The Trial endures as a profound meditation on the struggles of the individual in an indifferent and often hostile world.